How to check if iPhone screen is genuine. To get started, go ahead and visually inspect the parameter of your iPhone screen. If you notice any variations in the thickness of the parameter, such as a gap or a raised screen, it might indicate that it's not an original Apple screen. Alternatively, open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model and serial number, and more. As you can see, there is no indication of any change or service to any part or the display of your phone. This means that your screen is genuine. But if there was a change, then there would be a display option under the Parts and Service History section. If it shows genuine Apple part, then it means that the screen is original. If not, then it will show unknown part. Following these steps, you can easily check if iPhone screen is genuine.